chunk. Oh, there we go. Good morning, everyone. Hello, YouTube. Real Shooting here, and in today's video we're back out at the Hackberry Park Pond here in Mont Bellevue. It's a very big park. I normally launch on the other side of the parking lot and the other side of the pond. You can park over there, launch on that side. You can park over here, launch on this side. I can't circle all the way around, but I kind of want to explore this side. I've never came around here with the fish finder. I want to see what it shows. It does appear to still be 5 feet on this side too. So we just parked right here. Just got done launching. Look how cloudy it is, you guys. Very cloudy. They say it's like a 15% chance of rain, but I'm gonna take the risk, you guys. I really wanted to go fishing. So for today's video, I brought out 2 medium heavy combos. Right now I have tied on an underspin with a oh, I just saw a blow up, with the Academy brand paddle tail, and then I have a Megabass Dark Sleeper on my other medium heavy bait caster. And then back here I have the Ned rig tied on. I'm gonna try to see if we can find fish on this side. I'm gonna go around this. There's an island on the other side. I really want to hit that island. I've caught fish off of the island. My friend Cody actually fishes this pond too. Shout out to you, Cody, if you're watching this. He recommended the very back part over there. I think it's an inflow. We're gonna go check it out. I've only been there once. I didn't get bites right at the inflow, but I did go around the corner and I've gotten them. Basically backing up to those houses that you see, there's water like right along that bank. There's a shallow bank with grass sitting on the surface, pretty similar to what this is right here. If you guys can see that grass right there on the bank. So we're gonna paddle around, see if we find any fish, make casts, and see what happens. You guys stay tuned. We go. I didn't know we had one on. He got pinned. Oh, he got pinned. He swallowed that bait, you guys. I did not know we had him. Yeah, he swallowed that dark sleeper. Wow. Almost. There we go. Popped right at him. Woo! He was ready to go. We tore up that lure. Wow. He swallowed that bait, you guys. I didn't know we had him on. Whew. We'll tie this back on and keep going. Yep. We're getting rained on, you guys. This is crazy. I think it'll be a light shower. Hopefully it just passes over real quickly. Oh look, I can actually get under this little bridge. Oh man, now it's pouring. We're trying to go, you guys. 4 miles per hour we're going. Look at this rain. Alright, we made it to the bridge. Guess I'll hang out here for a little while. There we go. Number 2. Keep them pinned, keep them pinned. Oh, this is a chunk. Oh, wow. You guys, this is a big one. Oh man. Number 2 was good, you guys. Wow. Look at that. He was pinned. Oh man, you guys. That's why we're here. Look at that. Chunker. Right on the edge of that. Got a couple right there. They like to hang out. Man, that's a big one. I think I should get the scale. Haven't been weighing them lately. This is probably a 2-pounder. But let's just check it out. Holy moly. And I've caught him off of that point before, but never a chunk. Yeah, it is a 2-pounder. 2 pounds, 5 ounces. So almost 2.5 pounds. All right, I think I'm gonna get a quick picture of him and then we'll let him back in. That is a nice one. Holy moly, whole lot of fun, you guys, whole lot of fun. I like that. We don't always get the chunks out here, so when we do, we have to make sure we get a couple of pictures, because that's pretty nice. That's pretty nice. All right, we're gonna go ahead and let her back in. That's a nice one. Thanks for playing. Oh man. And whenever she jumped out of the water, I knew it was a good one. There she goes. Nice. But this is the wind-blown bank, so there should be both bait fish and bass up against this bank. Come on, bass, come on. There we go. Oh, thought we had one. I think we're pulling. There we go. There we go. He was right up against the grass. This one's a smaller one, but we'll take him, we'll take him. Look at that. That's number 3. If the bite's good, we should keep getting him on that dark sleeper. Let's let him back in. There we go. All right, I think that's number 4. Pop that out of them. Right up against those cattails. Nice little guy, we'll take him. Guys, the wind is starting to pick up. Look at these waves. Pedaling right towards the wind. We have to go around that curve. Look how choppy the water is. Small little, I don't know, 1-foot waves. Kayak handles it extremely well. Look at that. I'm going about 2.5 miles per hour. Just cruising. Once I get over there, we're gonna have to turn and make the whole bend. Alright, you guys, that's gonna be all for today's video. We had a whole lot of fun out here. I was hoping to catch a lot of fish, but that's not always the case. Luckily, we did catch 2 that were, I want to say, on the medium side out here at least. Both of them, I think we had like 2 pounds 4 ounces and a 2 pound 6 ounces. Really nice bass. We caught one on the Ned rig. What was that first one caught on? Man, I can't remember. Anyways, you guys saw it. I think most of our fish were on the Ned rig. Oh yeah, and I caught some on that Dark Sleeper. I think that second one was on the Dark Sleeper. Anyways, I ended up losing that Dark Sleeper to like one of the cattails. They were real shallow. I'm trying to get better at catching them deep, but man, I couldn't find them out there. Letting this wind push me. Look, it's literally pushing that way, and that's where I parked. It's letting the wind take us that way. You guys, whole lot of fun. Yeah, after about 12, right now it's 2 p.m. we're gonna head out of here. After 12, the bite really died down. I went like 2 hours without a fish. I tried a couple of different lures. I tried throwing the crankbait, and then I also tried a lipless crankbait. They didn't want it, you guys. But anyways, we tried. We came out here, we had fun. I'll definitely have to pick up a couple more of those Megabass Dark Sleepers. That's one of my favorite lures. I was casting it out there, letting it drop, and just reeling it on the very bottom, and they were going for it, you guys. If you enjoyed today's video, please give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Comment, rate, and subscribe.